Just wait for my voice to. Wait, I've got a weird accent and I've got a man's voice.
We're cooking up a pot of rock and roll stew. And here he comes on the drums, Mr. Ted Tyson. All right. Ain't that good? Yeah. Here's War Department on that electric bass. Shelly Tyson. Be good to it now, honey. Good job. Ain't that good? That don't make you want to dance, nothing will, babe. Get up off your feet. Here he is, that boy with all the curls in his hair, Mr. Johnny Evans. His girls getting in his eyes now.
Hey, good day. Well, I'm just showing you this here little camera. It's
Here he comes now, all the way from we don't know where. His mom didn't even own him. On that piano, listen now, tickle him ivory. Good job. Ain't that good? We're bringing it up to a boil now. Feel it? Boil!
This is a Sony DXR SX45. It's a 720p camcorder. What's nice about these is that they take a filter, which is really nice, but they're also less than the 1080p. The reason why I'm showing this, about 2 years ago, I guess, a friend of mine took this out to Colorado, and she'd never been on top of Pikes Peak before, so she got up there and freaked out and dropped the camera. And she came back with it all kind of messed up, making wavy lines. But the good news is, I used the footage to make a really psychedelic looking music video. So, put it outside on a pole, right? For advertisement. Left it out there all winter long. All winter long. All winter. In the snow, rain, freezing cold, lightning, everything else. Got it out this morning. I cleaned it up, put a new battery in it, thought I'd try it, and it works perfectly. A Sony. Older Sony camera. These things are amazing. Well, I'd sure like to get a new Sony camera, but you know, can't afford one while those new rare big monsters out there that they have. 4Ks. Wow. Professional cameras. Can't afford it yet, but the way the luck seems to be going, we're going to get there someday. Alright. This is Rick from DR J Studio LLC near Richland, Missouri. Bye. Oh, there it is. It's a delay. Well, why would the camcorder cause a delay in real life? That makes no sense at all. It should only be a delay on film, not in.
Yep, just wait for my voice to. Wait, I've got a weird accent and I've got a man's voice. Oh, I do not like this camcorder at all. My chest feels weird. Do I have subtitles? I do. I have subtitles.
Caught the red eye. Got off the plane in Memphis. Caught the bus for Black Oak, Arkansas. I was a young man when I left. I thought I knew it all, but most of all, I miss my mama and my pa. And Arkansas. Love 'em all, Ma and Paul. You know, I didn't know it, but I had it all. Joined the army, they sent me to a corn man. You know, I just had to stand up, see if I was a real man. I kept my head down, dug down in the ground. And through it all, I miss my mama and my pa. And Arkansas, oh, you know I love 'em all. Ma and pa. I didn't know it,